Okay, so it's like 9. We got up at 7:30 and packed at 8. So that wasn't really that important. And now we're going, the trail length is 0.7 miles. So we're going to be here for an hour.
Should we go to the panoramic overlook also?
0.5.
If we have time after.
We're not going to have time after.
Okay, no, it's not.
Okay. So now we're going on a trail. It's very deserty, but like less hills than the other place. Good birding, I guess. Here we are. There's a garden. We're by the visitor center, wherever it is. Yeah. So we heard something, probably a warbler from this bush. We're doing a pincer attack to try to get it, and I don't think we're gonna even find it in the end, so good times. So we found it, and then there was even another birder pitching on the other side. So it's like a 4-way pincer. What?
It's definitely more birds.
Oh, okay. But I didn't get a photo, so it was quite sad. Okay, so we just saw 3 brewer sparrows, and then basically I heard like a strange call, and I told Sergey, wait, so did you hear it or not?
What?
Did you hear it or not?
I heard it. Well, not the first time.
But you heard it the second time?
Yeah.
Okay, so he heard a strange call, but then Sergey's like, I saw something flying to this tree in the other direction. Let's go check that out. And I was like, no, we have to go look for the strange call instead. And then it turned out the strange call was a brewer sparrow all along.
Instead, thanks to Aaron, we found them.
Yeah, instead we could have been looking for white-crowned sparrow in some dumb trees far away, right?
Probably not white-crowned sparrow, but not brewer sparrow.
What do you think it would have been then? Verdin?
Probably verdin.
Because it was calling.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so we're here by the pond that you can't see.
The wastewater treatment.
The wastewater treatment plant, excuse me. And apparently this is a lit birding spot. You can see a thrasher, and we're really low gas right now.
Wait, no trespassing?
They just keep going. No trespassing. Interesting. Yeah, we definitely have no gas, so hopefully we're gonna get stuck. Okay, so we're here. This is like a water treatment plant. There was a sign earlier that said no trespassing, and we just walked straight past it. But it's fine. The desert is barren and silent. No birds. Only Armand and Sergey. Okay, so we got to the gas station, and then basically I was driving, and then the entire ride I was telling people just open navigation, right? And then Sergey was like jacking off in the back or something. Like, I don't know what were you doing?
I was just looking at the map. Because I thought it would be fine to just turn off.
Okay, well anyway, Sergey was jacking off the whole time, and I just told him like 20 times, just look at navigation, please, right? And Armand pulls up his phone, and he looks at his email, right? And this is like as we're going around the roundabout, and he's like, as we pass the exit that has gas station, he's like, oh, there's a gas station right there. And then so I was so pissed. And then so, but we did the whole loop around again, and then we went to the gas station. So we're here. But I'm just so annoying. Look, we're driving on the mountain. And we're going to look for Lacan's thrasher again. No.
+1.
I don't want any more thrashers.
We only had 1 thrasher.
Silence. That's enough. That's more than enough. Okay, so we were riding for like 2 hours maybe. We were just talking, and then so we stopped to eat at the nearest civilization that we found. And basically there were a bunch of sauces, so I got all of them.
Which one's yours?
Are they the same?
And yeah, I guess we're gonna eat now.
I'm not sure.
So like you could make your kids
Okay.
suffocate in the back. Wow.
We're done eating, it was pretty good, right? I mean, I thought so.
Yeah,
What do you?
it was very good. Yeah.
Okay. Now we're on our way to Lacan's Thrasher. Are you tired?
No.
Oh my god, you're
What?
insane.
Are you tired?
Yes, I've been tired since 2 days ago.
Tired or tired of birding?
Tired of birding and tired.
Okay.
Okay, so we're passing by. What is this?
The super blue.
No, what's it? Lake something.
Lake Elsinore.
Lake Elsinore, and then there's like a super bloom of poppies apparently this year. And then so I was thinking we could like stop and then view this once in a lifetime event, but Sergey said that Lacan's Thrasher is far more important than these silly flowers. So we'll be passing by, right?
Not exactly, but sure.
Yes. I'm glad we were able to get a cursory glimpse at these poppies as we pass by. Wow, look how many poppies that we are seeing for a brief moment only. Correct?
Should we exit? We can exit.
No, it's fine. I don't actually care. Yeah, so there's like a million people here to see the poppies. I'm glad that we have no interest in such things and that we are willing to forego this opportunity as we pass by and view the easy to ignore scenery.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, so it's 5 p.m. We've been talking for like 3 hours straight, right?
Yeah.
And basically, Armand wants to be home by 9 p.m. Preferably around 9:30, which is reasonable. So Lacan's Thrasher will need to be canceled. And then basically Sergio was saying he needs to have a power cry, so we need to stop soon. Oh my god.
I'm holding back my tears right now.
It's 6:30. We've been driving for a while, right? Yeah. Okay, so we've been driving. The last time I vlogged was like 6, so it's 8 now. It's completely dark outside, and we were a bit bored, so we called Dumb William. Well, we called William G, right? Yes, we called Willie G, and then but he didn't seem too keen on talking. So like, I forced him to make conversation basically, but eventually we said goodbye. We tried to call some other people, but they didn't pick up until we called Rutwick, who did pick up, and then we had a pretty long talk. It might have been like 20 minutes or something, and we just talked about how it's been going, and he seems like he's been well, which is good. And Rutwick thinks Armand is a god, which is not a bad assessment, though I think there are better ways to describe Armand, right, Armand?
Yeah, I don't think I'm God.
Okay, Armand doesn't think he's God. That's why he doesn't know. Okay, so I forgot to film the conclusion. So basically I got home and then I ate and then I slept. So that's why there was no need for a conclusion. And then so that's the end of the trip. It was pretty good. I got like plus 20, plus 23 or something lifers, which is pretty insane. So yeah, that's it. If you want more exciting content, like, comment, and subscribe.